Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off mod notifications on your Reddit app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. We will just go up here and this is picture on app and we will click, then this is window show for us, then we just click here on settings, then we come to settings window here in this window, then we just click here on account settings for you, then we come to next window here or account settings here, then we just go down, then we click here on manage notifications, then we come to a notifications window and we just go down and we come here to mode notifications. We will click here on this is mark, and like you see color it's gone, that's main mode notifications, it's turned off now. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.